Hi everybody, my name is Zul. I'm from Outward Bound, Singapore. I attended the Leading and Facilitating Change workshop by Eon. I really like how there is a good balance between lecture, understanding the concepts and framework, and then putting it into application through discussions, breakout sessions for us to spar some thoughts. That was effective for my learning as an adult learner. What I really take away from today's session, if I could mention two parts, one is about understanding how do I apply the framework by quarter, understanding what goes into the deliberate planning of change management, how do I lead that process? And then the second part is to be very conscious as a leader. Do I have any unconscious bias? If I were to lead any kind of change or effect any change in the organization, what should I really take note for? So I think that was very well explained. Credits to the trainer. So I really walked away with a lot of benefits from the session itself. This, I find, will be helpful for leaders who, in the respective fields or organization, are going to be leading changes, be it small or big, so that you are very clear and you're aware what am I designing and planning, rather than just winging it and going through intuition. So that's it.